So today I'm building a keyboard. I've been using this Logitech G613 for about a year now, and there's some things I like about it. Like, it does have a Lightspeed dongle and a Bluetooth connection, so it can be used wirelessly. Well, it is mechanical, but the Roamer G switches just feel really bad. Also, I have some durability issues with it. If you pull off the 8 keycap, you can see, well, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a crack right there in the switch. So the 8 key is jammed, so I can't really use this 8 key. Good thing I have a number pad for pressing the 8. So I think it's about time I built myself a keyboard. Here is the GMMK 10 keyless. It also is hot swap, so it should be pretty easy to build in. It supports kill, cherry, box switches, and stuff. It does have RGB lighting, which you can see here on the keyboard itself. And here we have some other products that Glorious makes. Here's a guide to how to build it. Here's a guide on how to replace switches, a sticker, other marketing material, silica gel, and I'll definitely eat that. In here we have a braided USB-C cable, so it's not micro, which is good. Pretty long cable, and it is braided. Feels pretty decent. There's a switch remover and some rubber feet pad. Here, a keycap to replace the stock Windows keycap with, a Ascend escape button, which I might use. So this keyboard does have stabilizers included and pre-installed. It does have LEDs, and it is a hot swap board, so there's no need to solder. There are these feet that do have a satisfying click to them. And there is a switch remover holder, which can just pop out like that. So that's pretty handy. It is made out of aluminum, so it is fairly rigid, and of course has the USB-C connector in the very middle on the back. Next to unbox are the Aora mechanical keycaps, also from Glorious. So these are keycaps that have a translucent part on the bottom, so it lets the RGB lighting to go through. So this is a 104 key kit, so ANSI layout. ANSI is the best. Comes with all the standard keycaps. Comes with a switch remover and another one of those red Ascend escape buttons, and some more marketing material, and another one of those stickers. Pretty cool. Last but not least are these switches. So these are Kill Box J's thick clicks. So these are clicky switches, and they do have a pretty satisfying click. These are the best clicky switches you could probably get. So here's a quick sound test out of the case. I guess it's about time we start building the keyboard. Never built keyboards before, so I assume that these just match up with the holes in the board. And yep, they just click right into there. So it's time-lapse time then. So I'm done putting all the switches in. Now we go on to the keycaps. So now that the keyboard is all finished and assembled, I will get to a typing test. Thanks for watching this video of me building this keyboard. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.